Hello everyone, I'm Olive. I have just received a package from Children Pay Children. I'm so excited to open it because I have been waiting for 3 months. Finally, my work is published. Let me show you what I have received. First, I have these 2 masks, a badge, a keychain, a calendar, a poster. Finally, I have a certificate. And I have 2 copies of my books. I like the calendar the most because I found the audience egg on the calendar. Now I'm going to read you my story. Audience, written by Olive Wong, illustrated by Catherine Georgie. Meet the author, Olive Wong. Hello everyone, I'm Olive. I'm an 8 years old girl from China. I love to write and I love berries. So I created this story. Evelyn is one of my best friends, and I always have wanted to have an adventure with her. And we did in this story. I hope you enjoy reading our adventure. Meet the illustrator, Katharina Georgie. Hi everyone, I'm Katharina Georgie, an Italian artist who graduated in graphic and illustration at the Academy of Fine Arts at Florence, Italy. I've been drawing since I was able to pick up a pencil. And illustration for children books has always been a dream of mine. I'm very grateful to Children Pay Children for giving me the opportunity to illustrate their books, and I really hope you'll like it. Olive was very excited today because her best friend Evelyn will come to play with her. Olive woke up at 7 in the morning and put on her new dress. Why? That was her best friend. She must dress up. After finishing her breakfast, she sat down on the sofa waiting for Evelyn to come. Olive waited and waited. She felt had waited for ages. Finally, the doorbell rang. Ding dong, ding dong. It must be Evelyn, shouted Olive. She quickly jumped up and ran to the door. It was really Evelyn. She was in purple silk dress with a cute blue bow. She had braided her hair today, which made her even prettier. Hi, Olive. Evelyn and Olive hugged each other really tight at the same time. I miss you so much, said Evelyn. Evelyn, I love you. Come here. I prepared buckets and shovel. We can play by the beach today. Olive said with excitement. Olive and Evelyn flew to the beach holding each other's hand. When they arrived at the beach, Olive went to build a sandcastle. What shall I do then? Mumbled Evelyn. What's that? Evelyn saw a huge shiny thing lying on the beach, so she quickly flew towards it and found it was something that looked like an egg, with strange patterns on it. Is this an egg? Whose is it? Evelyn picked up the egg and went to find Olive. Olive was so focused on building the sandcastle that she didn't even notice Evelyn was there. Evelyn was polite, so she just waited patiently. But after 60 minutes, she became a little bit impatient, so she tapped on Olive's shoulder. Olive turned her head and opened her mouth in surprise, because the egg was as big as a backpack. Where did you find it? Evelyn asked Olive. It looked like a dinosaur's egg, but we don't have dinosaurs here, answered Evelyn. Then whose egg is it? Inquired Olive. Maybe someone lost it. No one was around when I found it. The owner must be very worried, cried Evelyn. Olive and Evelyn went back to where Evelyn found the egg. Child, the giant footprints. There are more over here. They must belong to the ex-owner. Let's follow them to find the owner, said Olive. Sounds good, Evelyn said excitedly. Then they followed the footprints for as long as 2 such classes. That means a very, very long time. Evelyn said, this is gonna be a long journey. Just as they reach a beautiful castle, the footprints disappeared. Look, the castle is on fire, screamed Olive. They flew to the castle. This is so strange. We are the guards and everyone else, inquired Evelyn. Maybe people have already run away, replied Olive. Let's go inside to see if anyone was left behind. Inside it was dark and seemed like nothing was happening. I don't think anyone is here. Shall we leave? Inquired Olive. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise and raised their heads and saw a gigantic dragon with big red eyes looking at them. It is a dragon! Olive screamed. They took one big step back and hardly held their heads together. The dragon leaped and dashed at Olive, but she missed. The dragon didn't give up and kept chasing them. Oops! Evelyn's hand got sweaty, so the egg fell. The dragon first sniffed and licked the egg. She struck it. Finally, she picked up the egg, dropped the egg. It doesn't belong to you, screamed Evelyn and Olive. Although they were scared, they still said it bravely. Strangely, the dragon didn't roar at them. Olive and Evelyn felt very, very confused, because they saw a surprised sorrowing goat in the dragon's eye. Do you think this is her egg? Asked Olive. Evelyn suggested, let's ask the dragon. Maybe it really hurts. Olive laughed. You're crazy! Do you think the dragon can understand us? Why can I understand you? Hey, Evelyn, what happened to your voice? You sound so strange. I didn't say anything, answered Evelyn. Then who was talking? It's me. The girls looked up. The dragon was speaking. This is my egg. Where did you find it? We found it on the beach, answered Evelyn. This is my egg, but I threw it away. Look how ugly it is, said the dragon. But it is still your baby, shouted the girls. At that time, they heard a sound crack. They all looked at the dragon. They all looked at the egg and saw a little dragon coming out of it. She had blue eyes, chubby cheeks, and even spikes on her back. The dragon was very surprised and regretted. I shouldn't have judged the dragon by its eggshell. Hooray! We helped the egg find her mommy, shouted Evelyn and Olive. What are your 2 kind girls' names? Asked the dragon. My name is Olive. Evelyn. To thank both of you, I will name my baby based on your name. Let's call her Odin, said the dragon. I love you, Odin, yelled both of Olive and Evelyn. When Olive and Evelyn went home, they added 2 new friends to their friend list. They were Odin and her mommy. The end. Do you like my story? Do you want to create your own one? This makes the world become more creative.